We now invite Mr. Nimal Welgama, Chairman of Sri Lanka Telecom, to address the gathering.
Garutara Sangyavansikin Avasarai, Secretary to the Ministry of Defence and Urban Development, Honorable Gotabaya Rajapaksa and Mrs. Rajapaksa, Honorable Chief Justice, Sir, and Mrs. Piris, Mr. Mathipan and Mrs. Mathipan, I am honored to be here before you today to humbly acknowledge our achievement, and I thank Business Today for affording me this opportunity. I think Mr. Khan for Dialogue spoke on behalf of Sri Lanka Telecom as well, because we are in the same industry. Yet again, Sri Lanka Telecom is placed among the prestigious Business Today top 25 companies, notwithstanding the growing challenges the telecom industry is facing. It is independent rankings such as this that give credence to our performance as a business entity, consistently being among the top 10 performers in the Business Today ranking is a true accomplishment, and we appreciate the valued contribution by Business Today to promote Sri Lanka business and to recognize outstanding corporate performances. Achieving this would not have been possible if not for the commitment and passion of our team at Sri Lanka Telecom and its subsidiaries who tirelessly work around the clock, day and night, to lead Sri Lanka in the communications front. I must also thank His Excellency the President, who is the Minister of Finance, which is the principal shareholder of this company, the Board of Directors, and the stakeholders of Sri Lanka Telecom for their support and encouragement offered to me to lead Sri Lanka Telecom to success. Although the country is well placed with macroeconomic stability, it is a trying time for the telecommunication industry both globally as well as at home. The telecommunication tariffs in Sri Lanka is one of the lowest in the world. Given that situation, maintaining profitability consistently despite low tariff and smaller scale is a true achievement. May I also remind you that we have evolved from being a ministry entity to a government corporation to a joint stock company, what it is today, and it has not been an easy task to bring it forward like this with about 10,000 employees. The Sri Lankan economy is becoming vibrant, and as part of the corporate sector, SLT is hopeful of the possibilities that lie ahead and has a major role to play in the economic prosperity of our country, being a catalyst towards economic development of the other sectors as well. I am proud to say that the telecom sector had made progressive decisions with the longer term in mind and invested in latest advanced technology. We will continue to maintain our position, and we can compare and compete with the best in the industry in the region around the world. And these improvements will favor us and, more importantly to you, our corporate and retail customers. I sincerely acknowledge the contribution made by all telecom operators in the country who really make us think on our feet and share in good measure the responsibility of leading Sri Lanka's ICT drive. In conclusion, we will endeavor to challenge ourselves in our quest for the better performances, and we are ever conscious of our duty and responsibility to the larger society as much as to our shareholders. Our hope is that by our achievements, we have been successful in serving you and our valued customers as well. And I take this opportunity to thank you for inviting me here. Thank you very much.